Hi everybody, this is Marisa Portuondo, and I wanted to talk to you tonight about something that I've been seeing a lot of still, which is kind of shocking, and that is tarps on roofs down here in South Florida. Irma hit in September of 2017, the first half of September, I believe it was the 10th, and we are going on over 2 years now since that hurricane hit. Now, there's usually two reasons why, or maybe three reasons why, um, a house that was impacted by a hurricane would still not be repaired. The first one, which is unfortunately extremely common, is that the insurance company is still giving you the runaround. The second is that you hired somebody to handle the claim for you, and maybe they're dragging their feet. Maybe they took on too many cases or too many claims, and they're just not moving things forward as quickly as they should be. And the third is that you have not done anything about it and you've been procrastinating. Maybe you reached out to the insurance company a couple times and they gave you the runaround and you kind of just gave up. Or maybe you just think your claim's not sufficient to meet your deductible. That's actually probably a fourth one. And you haven't gotten around to repairing your house. Now, regardless of the cause, these are all not good situations for homeowners. And the reason for this is that we will have another hurricane season coming in June. And if you do not repair your home and another storm hits, you are going to have a big issue getting that covered. And the reason is that as a property owner, you enter into a contract when you buy an insurance policy. The policy is the contract. And one of your obligations under that contract is to maintain your property and to mitigate your damages. Okay, so the way I explain that a lot is if you get in a car accident and you have car insurance, your car insurance is going to pay to fix your car if you have that type of insurance. But if your window's broken and you leave your car outside in the rain for a week after the accident and it rains inside your car and destroys the inside, the insurance company isn't going to pay for that, okay? You didn't mitigate your damages, you didn't cover that window or repair it, and you allowed things to get worse, and insurance doesn't pay for that. So if you do still have issues going on in your home, especially those that involve water, leaking, holes in your roof, things like that, chances are at this point, especially in South Florida, you have mold. It's getting worse. Chances are the wood possibly in your roof is deteriorating. These are all just bad things, and a lot of people have probably given up in frustration or think that there's nothing that can be done. I will assure you, the majority of our clients, their claims are much bigger than they anticipated because they're not contractors, they're not mold testers, and they're unaware of the level of damage that has happened in their home. So chances are, especially if you have roof damage, that you probably do have damage that supersedes your deductible. The other thing is, if the insurance company is still jerking you around, and it's been over 2 years, it is time to hire an attorney to handle your claim. We won't take it personally if you don't hire us, but we do recommend you reach out to someone and get that resolved. And if you are doing nothing about it, please call us. Please call someone that you trust who handles these claims, if not us, because more often than not, there is something that can be done. And the longer you wait, the harder it does get. So I really strongly urge you guys to take care of your property. It's probably your largest asset, and the longer you sit, the worse things get, like most things in life. So if you have any questions, I know that these insurance claims are super confusing. They are very frustrating, and you can just want to throw the towel in, especially when it comes to your own home. But please don't do that. Please reach out to us. It's free to speak to me. We will come to your house if you have any doubts and you want someone to take a look at what's going on. We work with licensed professionals. We do everything, to a T, and we make sure that everything's taken care of properly. All right, well, I hope you have a wonderful Sunday evening and that you enjoy what's left of the weekend. We'll see you tomorrow.